नमस्कार, यहाँहरूलाई पूर्ण स्वागत छ हाम्रो यो पेजमा र अहिले पनि हामी आइसकेका छौँ एसएमआइटी सिक्किम मणिपाल इन्स्टिट्युसन अफ टेक्नोलोजी है माझीटार स्थित यो एसएमआइटी को परिसरमा हामी आइसकेका छौँ र यहाँ हामी आउनुको मुख्य कारण के हो भनेदेखिलाई है आज हामीहरू यहाँ सम्मानीय मुख्यमन्त्री श्रीमान प्रेमसिंह तामाङ गोले सरको इन्टरप्रेनर है मिटिङ हुन गइरहेको छ र हजुरहरू हामीसँग जुडिरहनुहोस्। आजको अपडेट हामी तपाईहरुलाई सिधै एसएमआइटीबाट लिएर आउनेवाला छौँ।
A unique privilege bestowed on us at the team of Sikkim Manipal University and the Atal Incubation Center of the Sikkim Manipal University Technology Business Incubator to welcome our most honorable chief guest, Shri Prem Singh Tamangji, who has been indeed a visionary leader with an inspirational work ethos and made commendable contributions to the all-round pan-spectral growth and development of the state of Sikkim, particularly in the field of healthcare and education, where his contributions are indeed praiseworthy.
A very brief gist of what we have done so far in the last 2.5 years, so to say 2 years and about 7 months in total, out of which we have undergone 2 major lockdowns. Despite it, what are the progresses we have made during this period? I just wanted to highlight this to you all for you to see. We are a Section 8 company, a not-for-profit Section 8 company, supported by Atal Innovation Mission, NITI Aayog, Government of India, and named as Atal Incubation Center, Sikkim Manipal University Technology Business Incubation Foundation. We are located, for the guests who have come from outside the Northeast, we are located in this region. The colored position is where we are located in, just to show that we are located in the strategic position where we become the gateway to the Northeast. We are selected as one of the 100 world-class incubators that were selected across the country. Fortunate that we have been taken up by NITI Aayog, Atal Innovation Mission NITI Aayog as one of the centers in the Northeast, and we are the first one, and we started sometime in September, 7th of September 2018. The first cohort comprising of 16 startups, we started off with it and will be graduating today. Currently we have 69 startups working with us today, and we are sector agnostic, which means that we are in various domains including defense, e-mobility, edutech, agri-tech, and so on and so forth. The story so far, I just wanted to highlight what all we have done. In the past 2.5 years, we have conducted about 114 different programs. Our incubator has appeared in various news and media houses, including in Forbes. we have generated during, despite the lockdown. As a highlight, I just want to remind you that we are located in such a position where most of the startups who come to us are in a very, very early idea stage. Despite it, and with the two lockdowns that we have, our startups generated 16 plus crore rupees as on 31st of March 2021. And as on date, so I would also highlight the fact that we have, as on date, we have also generated 177 jobs till today. We have about 58 mentors who are also, many of whom are also here with us today to support the startups and entrepreneurs here today, sir.
Whether it is female literacy rate, female labor force participation, access to mobile phones, access to financial services, Sikkim is one of the leading states in terms of women's empowerment in India. And I think that has laid a really strong foundation for Sikkim to lead the country in another initiative, which is the number of women-owned enterprises that come out of this initiative. And I have no doubt that under the leadership of Dr. Tej and guidance from Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Sikkim, we will achieve that initiative as well.
सफल व्यवसाय वन फ्यामिली वन एन्टरप्रेन्योर हुनुपर्ने भनी अभिभावकहरूलाई आह्वान गरिरहनु भएको छ। हामी केवल सरकारी नोकरीको पछि लाग्न पर्दैन, यसले आफै मात्र होइन देशको अनि राज्यको निम्ति टेवाको काम गर्दछ। मेरो शब्दहरूलाई बेसी नलम्ब्याएर अब म आजको मुख्य अतिथि सिक्किम राज्यका सम्माननीय मुख्यमन्त्री महोदय श्री प्रेम सिंह तामाङज्यूलाई आफ्नो ओजस्वी सम्बोधन राख्ने म नम्र निवेदन गर्दछु।
Namaskar and good morning to all of you. I extend my warm autumn greetings to all the distinguished guests present here. This is one of the most attractive seasons to be in Sikkim as the torrential rain of monsoon have just faded away, leaving behind a clear and shining autumn season that is surrounded by festival and celebration. Next few months, we shall witness the changing attributes of mountain climate where winter and then spring would be at its best. At the same time, let me also mention that we are meeting here when the entire global world is galvanized towards 26th United Nations Climate Change Conference, widely known as Conference of the Parties COP26, being held from tomorrow in Glasgow in the United Kingdom. This conference is so crucial for both the global and local community like us in Sikkim, as its outcome would impinge upon ecological future, disaster management, various production regulations, development venture and community livelihood. Sikkim is proud to host and operationalize the Atal Incubation Center Technology Business Incubation Institution for the entire Northeast region at the prestigious Sikkim Manipal University. I would like to profusely thank Niti Aayog Department for Promotion of Industry and International Trade in the Ministry of Commerce and various other agencies for presenting this invaluable and far-reaching institution to Sikkim and the entire Northeast region. This is one of the most significant contributions of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for the powerfully talented youth of our country. His firm conviction about the role of youth in every corner of India to effectively participate in the Atmanirbhar Bharat through Make in India route is something out of box. This clarity in his thought is deftly reflected in how the Honorable Prime Minister connected a startup and the incubation center with the last mile action of generating new category of entrepreneurial activities that would transform the entire process of development. We'd like to express our gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for leading the entire nation from the front. For us in the Northeast region, 5 significant developments have taken place over the last few years. Firstly, the entire issue of physical connectivity within a state, between the region and the rest of India and the region with the neighboring countries has now been handsomely addressed. Secondly, we now have a chain of institutions in higher technical and professional education front and have started generating large number of graduates with non-traditional qualification and skills. Thirdly, there has been a massive change in the interplay of development partners as we now have multilateral institutions like Asian Development Bank, World Bank, United Nations, and even bilateral partners like Japan and many other participating in our region. Few years back, it was a no-go situation. Fourthly, India's Act East policy as a key element in our foreign policy makes the Northeast region as the core actor and instrument. And finally, the security situation has drastically improved with communities, societies and youth opting for peace, stability and development. The entire narrative about Northeast region is fast changing from a conflict-prone region to a newly emerging growth pole.